Probably the most exotic life form here in terms of colors goes to the birds. The orange-bellied trogon, this is the male. Here's the female eating what looks like some kind of katydid. Another type of trogon, and probably the most sacred bird in Central America, the resplendent quetzal. The male has these very long tail feathers and bright red plumage up front. Here's the female holding onto a miniature avocado, their favorite type of food. You can also see motmots, blue-gray tanagers, keel-billed toucans, emerald toucanets, and a wide range of hummingbirds. And this is super rare to see in the reserve, but I did film it there, a black and white owl.